the picture shows a really busy road. You can see 2 cars, and one car is colliding in the other one, while the first car has stopped for workers who are cleaning the sewer, and this caused the accident of the second car who couldn't stop in time. Also, you can see on the picture a woman just entering the sidewalk from the street. She holds a present and a couple of balloons. Just next to her on the right are 2 dog owners, and the dogs are barking at each other. Just in front of the dogs is a hot dog stand, and a woman just got handed over a hot dog and some ketchup spilled on her blouse. And in the top of the
At the left bottom, on the picture, there's a woman try to buy a hot dog, and at the center there are 2 dogs. One is a yellow, another is a dark gray. They are barking to each other. At the bottom of the right, there a woman try to send a paper to a guy. On the right of the corner, there are 4 of the employees try to fix some problem, and one of them try to stop a woman to come across.
Hey, Joanna, you don't believe where I am now. I'm in actually middle of chaos. It's unbelievable. I'm in Toronto downtown. I just wanted to pick a hot dog. And then I found that it was a construction site. The roads were jammed. Not only that, but there was an accident that happened in front of my eyes. Two dogs were fighting. The street was busy. The construction workers were at a daze because of what they were seeing and because of the many things that were there. People were just walking around. There was garbage on the streets. I believe that it was like a strike of some sort that happened, or that there wasn't actually around much people around to arrange for this whole scene. Okay, see you shortly. Bye.
In the picture I can see a really busy street, and in the left hand top corner I can see that there's an accident happening between two blue cars, and I can see that the first car had to stop because there were a construction site, and I guess she was not seeing the stop sign, and she looked really scared. She has a purple shirt on, and she almost hit one of the construction workers. He looks really scared as well, and he's moving his body to the other side, and the car behind her was crashing into that car. And in front of the picture, in the middle of the picture, I can see that two dogs are fighting, and the left one is light brown and the right one is dark brown, and both owners, to the left the woman with the brown hair and to the right the blonde guy with the blue shirt, they try to keep them separated.
The picture is of a very busy street. In the forefront, we can see to the left a hot dog stand, and a tall lady is just grabbing a hot dog, but apparently she just spilled some ketchup in her blouse. She seems distressed about it. On the back, there's a couple of people walking their dogs. Dogs seems to be about to get into a fight. They seem to be barking at each other. On the street, there's a bit of commotion going on. There's just been a collision. A car crashed into another one because the car stopped abruptly. There are some workings working on the drain, probably the main drain in the street. To the right, there's also a lady who's exiting a car into the sidewalk. She's carrying a beautiful green balloon.
So the picture represents a very overloaded town, which is something like Manhattan, where you can see a lot of people, a lot of dogs around, fish markets, noisy place. So even a car crash was happening in the picture. So you may expect this situation when you visit a very grounded downtown. I will tell that Manhattan or any place in India, Bangalore, for example, Mysore, you can face that same situation. It's realistic there. Nice.